Hi, today we'll be making low-carb, keto-friendly chicken enchiladas. First, we start by making the filling using 2 cups of shredded chicken, 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, 1 small can of green chilies, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now mix until blended completely. Now add the filling to the low-carb Mama Lupe tortillas. This recipe is good for 6 enchiladas. Next, we make the sauce, first by melting 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese. Once that is somewhat mixed together, add the 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, seasonings, which include salt, pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Then I added 1/2 cup of Monterey Jack cheese and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Keep mixing till everything's well blended. Lastly, I stirred in a small can of green chillies and removed from heat. Now cover the enchiladas with the sauce we just created and place in the oven at 375 degrees for about 40 minutes. Now enjoy these surprisingly low carb and delicious chicken enchiladas.